This is a quick construction update for the WCIA team. So when you enter in as before, we decided to expand this side. So normally, you came back here through this hallway and it used to stop here. So we knocked out this wall and we expanded this way. So there's a new classroom here. We went with a lower floor level. So the ceiling is still high, cool. We added these bricks for light and airflow. Then we're finishing out this small room. They can use it for a small class or any additional library or anything. Then there's this large classroom here. This will be probably the biggest classroom we have, so maybe grade 3 or 4 will be in here because they have the most students. Again, we added in some bricks for added airflow, and we just reused the windows that used to be on this wall. And this is Davis's office here. You can see.